going on, guys? Got a no cool call, and it's 79 in here, and the unit's set at 72. And just to check the air coming out of the vents, (73.9), 74 degrees. You can tell it's low on charge. The indoor fan's running. I hear a little bit of refrigerant moving through the lines. So we're gonna pull the cover off here and get out the old leak detector and see if the coil's leaking. It's a Goodman, so chances are it's the evaporator coil. So let me get the cover off here and see if we can find a leak. Alright, we got the cover off, and we got the filled piece SRL8 fired up, ready to roll. Check up here. Alright, nothing up there. Right down there in that bottom corner. Yep. Alright, well, we'll give Johnstone a call, see if they have any coils in stock, because it's under warranty. Alright, got the gauges hooked up, and it is very low. So, I called Johnstone. They don't have a coil in stock. They're getting me one. It is under warranty. So we're going to do a little gas and go until the coil comes in. So we're going to charge it up, at least get it above freezing, and then we'll try to dial in our superheat. Hopefully it lasts till the coil comes in. I got 24 pounds, 10.5 ounces in the bottle, and when I'm done I'll throw it on the scale and weigh it, and then write the new weight on the jug. So let me get everything hooked up and we'll start charging it. Okay, we'll get our indoor wet bulb. Alright, looks about 65. Okay, and the outside temp's 85. We had a 65-degree wet bulb, so we're going to go with 66, and it's 85 outside, so we're looking for a 15-degree superheat. And let's see what we got here. About 44 degrees on the saturation. And 64 degrees on our line temp. So we have about a 20-degree superheat right now, and we're looking for a 15. So we'll let it stabilize a little more. See how close we can get it dialed in. Well, 59. So right now we are 15 away. 44 degrees on the saturation, 59 on the line temp. So right now we do have a 15-degree superheat. So we're right on the money. So I think I'm just going to leave it there until the coil comes in, and we'll swap out the evaporator coil. And this coil here is pretty dirty. If you can see that or not, it's hard to tell. So we'll spray the coil down as well. See, now we're blowing out 55 degrees, which, I mean, I know it's just a surface temp, but just to give me an idea that it's cooling, because it was 73 before. So alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.